Okay, so what's happening here, that squeaking sound that you hear, is the fan, the mechanical fan, right there. It's the mechanical fan freewheeling. So once the clutch kicks in, it's going to suck the fan back in, I think. I think that's how it works. The fan kind of pulls back a bit, and then the squeaking will go away. And when I shut the car off, the fan continues to spin a little bit, and the squeaking continues on afterwards, and then eventually stops. Okay, so now the clutch is kicked in, and now the fan is spinning faster. So it's a fan and clutch problem. Brand spanking new, and that's what it does. You can hear the clutch is kicked in. Yep, brand new fan's bad, that's the problem. It's not my water pump. Almost spent $2,000 to have that fixed.